Hi, this is Kaisar from RankNinja.com. Today's video, I'll show you how to implement Facebook Pixel with your e-commerce website, both browser-side tracking and server-side tracking. I'll show in details method. I have used Google Tag Manager and Step for server-side tracking. So I will show the measure for e-commerce event, that is view content or view item, add to cart, checkout, and finally the purchase tag. So this video will have two major parts. One is for browser side integration and the another is for server side integration. I have also implemented deduplication here, and everything is manual here, so you will learn a lot from here. So let's watch the full video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It inspires me a lot to create new video for you.